world of modern construction, efficiency, strength, and precision are not only just goals, but also they are requirements. Now we introduce the next generation of structural solutions, the roof steel decking machine, engineered for excellence. Our machine transforms raw steel coil into high-strength, precisely formed floor deck panels in a single, continuous operation, drastically reduce on-site labor and construction time, maximize your output, and meet tight project deadlines with ease. Our advanced PLC control system ensures consistent, accurate profiles every time. Our machine built with high-grade components for operation in demanding environments. This is investment in durability and minimal downtime. More than just a machine, it's your partner in progress. It's the backbone of smarter construction.